Meaning of inorganic chemistry.
Inorganic chemistry.
Inorganic chemistry.
Inorganic chemistry.
Inorganic chemistry. Inorganic chemistry is a field of chemistry that studies the structure, properties, and reactions of compounds that don't contain carbon-hydrogen bonds. These compounds include metals, minerals, salts, acids, and bases. Inorganic chemists play a crucial role in developing new materials, such as ceramics, semiconductors, and catalysts, as well as in understanding the behavior of elements in living systems. In contrast to organic chemistry, which is primarily concerned with carbon-based compounds, inorganic chemistry focuses on the interactions and reactions of non-organic substances, paving the way for new scientific discoveries and technological advancements.